Hello, I'm Dr. Daniela Stan, Medical Director of the Breast Cancer Survivorship Program at Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota. Welcome to the yoga series Living Beyond Breast Cancer. This program has been designed to improve the range of motion and mobility after breast cancer surgery. The exercises in this video include movements of the shoulders, spine, and legs. Abdominal muscles will be used to stabilize your core, and arms will bear weight. Bending forward postures are also included. To safely perform these exercises, you should be cleared to activity by your surgical team. If you have cancer involving your spine or other bones, these exercises may not be safe for you. The video sessions were designed by a team of medical professionals in close collaborations with experienced yoga instructors. Modifications of poses will be offered throughout each session. It is important to adjust your poses to your personal level of comfort and stability. Props may include yoga mats, blocks, blankets, and bolsters. Alternatively, you can use pillows or towels to relieve pressure of the joints. It is recommended to use a yoga mat and perform the sequences with bare feet. Having a warm, quiet, and open environment can also be helpful. We hope you find these exercises helpful to your overall well-being and recovery.
Welcome to yoga program Living Beyond Breast Cancer. I'm Anna Myberg, nurse practitioner, and together with physical therapists Jamie and Kayla, we created this yoga program to help increase physical activity and mobility on the mat and off the mat. Feel free to use blankets, blocks, bolsters, and make any modifications to suggested yoga poses. Let's take some deep breaths together. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Place one of the hands on your chest and the other one on your belly. Inhale, exhale. Keep deepening in your breath. Inhale, exhale. Relax your face, your eyebrows, jawline, neck, shoulders, your belly, hips, legs, hands. Let's take a few cleansing breaths. And let's meet in tabletop position. Place hands on the mat, knees on the mat, shoulders over the wrists, hips over the knees. Let's take some deep breaths here again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And slowly together we will move into child's pose. Move your hands forward. Place your head on the mat. Continue to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly move your hands to the right corner of the mat. Take your time getting there. Readjust if anything feels uncomfortable. Take deep breaths. Feel the stretch along the left side of your body. And slowly move your hands to the left corner of the mat. Take some deep breaths here. Feel the stretch along the right side of your body. Let's meet back in tabletop position. Take your time getting there. We will take another cleansing breath. Inhale, exhale. exhale. Inhale, exhale. We will transition to cat-cows poses. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. And one more time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Next, we will do bird dog poses with one hand at a time first. Right arm first. Inhale. Then back to the mat. Inhale, right arm up. And back to the mat. One more time. Inhale, right arm up. And back to the mat. Repeat the sequence on the other side. Left arm up. Inhale. And back to the mat. Inhale. And back to the mat. Inhale. And back to the mat. From here, we will elevate right leg up first, toes point downward. Inhale, and place back on the mat and exhale. Right leg up, inhale, and exhale. One more time, inhale, and exhale. And then move your left leg up, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and one more time. Inhale, exhale. We will use blocks to position ourselves for modified runner's lunge. Let's start with right leg forward, left knee on the mat or off the mat. Take some deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. When comfortable, elevate right arm off the block and look up. Inhale, exhale. And place right arm back on the block. Again, elevate right arm up. Continue to breathe. And put your hand back on the block. Again, right arm up. And then back on the block. Left arm goes up next. And then back on the block. Inhale up. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. Let's switch feet. Now we can have one of the feet, one of the knees on the mat. Left leg forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. When comfortable, elevate left arm up. And then exhale back on the block. Inhale, exhale. And one more time. Inhale and exhale. Set your blocks to your right side, and then slowly let's meet in mountain pose with the head last to come up. Once here, take your hands apart, take your time, and then slowly turn to your left side, and then back to center, and to the right, and back to center, again to the left, to center, and one more time to the right. Let's meet together in mountain pose. Place your hands behind back and slightly bend back. Continue to breathe. From here, we will transition into warrior two pose. First, right leg forward, left back. Look over your fingertips. Take some deep breaths. Into reverse warrior. And then straighten your free to use a block here or place your hand to your shin. Continue to breathe. Slow your breath down. And then we will move slowly back into reverse warrior. Into warrior 2. And back into mountain pose. We will repeat the sequence on the other side. Let's place now. Right leg back, left knee forward. Look over your fingertips. Take some deep breaths. Then we will slowly transition into reverse warrior. Straighten your left knee into triangle. Look up. Use blocks for modification if necessary. Then we will transition back into reverse warrior. Into warrior 2. And back to the mountain pose. Now we will slowly move to the mat. Spread your legs wide to your personal level of comfort. We will reach towards your right toes. Take some deep breaths. I invite you to quietly count with me from 10 down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we will slowly move toward our left side. I invite you to quietly count with me again from 10 down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we will place our hands behind our back and look up. Continue to breathe. Make sure your face is relaxed, your jawline. Let's meet back in the neutral position. Place right hand on top of your head and slightly turn to the right. Feel the stretch along the left side of your neck. Now place left hand on top of your head and slowly turn to the left. Feel the stretch around the right side of your neck. Place your legs together and take your time moving forward. Try to touch your toes or another modification to just stay over the knees. Take some deep breaths here. Now we will meet on the mat. Take your time getting there. Place your knees to your chest and slowly roll on the mat and massage your back. Now place your feet on the mat and slightly turn your knees to your right side. If comfortable, place one of the right shins on your left knee. Take deep breaths. first one will be positioned either on the high side or medium side, and the second one is spaced apart. Place your shoulders on the first block before placing your head. Take some deep breaths here. When comfortable, roll off your blocks to your right side. Set your blocks aside and lay back down on your mat. Take some deep breaths here. I will guide you on visualization. Try to deepen your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Imagine yourself laying on a beautiful beach. Feel the warmth of the sand underneath you. Listen to the sound of the waves. Look at the beautiful color of the ocean. Continue to breathe. Feel your body sinking further and further into the sand. Feel how the sand readjusts underneath you. The sound of the waves is soothing. Beautiful sunshine is shining on you. Feel your warm breath traveling from your mouth to your right toes and back to your torso, to your chest. Feel the warm breath traveling to your left toes and back to your torso, to your chest. Feel your warm breath traveling to your right fingertips and back to your chest. Feel the warm breath traveling to your left fingertips and then your chest. Deepen the breath and enjoy this present moment of being warm. Shift your awareness to this class. Open your eyes if they were closed. Quietly thank for taking your time. Quietly thank yourself for taking this time. Thank yourself for taking this time to heal through movement. Thank your body for what it can do for you in this present moment. When comfortable, slowly roll on your right side. Take a moment here. Press yourself from the elbow to sit up. Let's meet in a comfortable seated position. Hope you enjoyed this class. Remember that healing is within, and be well.